Hey everyone, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm really happy to have you here. This is session 2 of our drawing journey. In the last video, we learned about tools and basic sketching, but today we are going to level up. Today I'm going to show you how to take any picture and turn it into a drawing, even if you think you are not good at drawing at all. And we are doing it using a simple method called the grade method. Let's start. First, grab three things. Of course, a pencil, a ruler, and a picture. Now pay attention. This is where the magic starts. We are going to divide both our picture and our paper into equal squares. You can use the application grade to do it, but for your paper you should do it manually. So don't skip this part. This is exactly what makes your drawing accurate. For example, I divide my picture into 10 rows and 6 columns. Now I do exactly the same on my paper, make it clean and simple, and done. Perfect. Now we have a grade on both sides, in the picture and my paper. Now here is the secret. Don't look at the whole of the picture. Just focus on a small square at a time. Ask yourself, what do I see in the box? Then draw only the part, slowly, step by step, and line by line. Look at what I'm exactly doing and follow my hand. Okay, I want to start by shoes. So, 1, 2, in second square, I can see the line here. It's where it started. And in a third square, what we have at the fourth square. So 1, 2, 2 of 2 we have here. And we have both in 4. And exactly in third square of here, we follow the line. Okay, we are almost done here, but we can also add some details, for example, like shadows or some details you can see in your picture. But generally, this is what we need a sketching for starting to shading. That was so easy. I hope you enjoy this video. Your drawing doesn't need to be perfect right now. It just needs to match each small section. And I can give you another point. And if you want more accuracy, you can even divide each squares into a smaller grid. Like what I'm doing here. For example, if you want to be sure exactly the shade, or I don't know, any details you need to have in your paper, you can do this. For example, divide my square, but it's equal. If you divide it in the two, you have to divide also the picture or your reference picture in two at the same exactly squares. And that's what I did here. It helps you see even more details. And slowly, something amazing happens. All the small parts connect together and your drawing starts to look exactly like the original picture. And that's it. Today you learn how to transfer any picture onto paper using a simple grid technique. Now you don't need to guess anymore, you just follow the squares. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next session because we are going even deeper into drawing techniques. See you in the next video.